They said out of 3,500 the panchayat, more than 1,000 panchayats are not even a single banking sector is there. No bank is available in this country nowadays also. Then we offer 1 rupees rent to a banking sector. Please open some banking sector. Then 171, at least we tried for these 2 years. 171 out of this 1,000, which is left out. But I will request the government of India that please see that every bank should be, every village means panchayat. I am not talking about the village. Village is more and more. At least the panchayat, one gram panchayat must be covered with our banking facilities. And nowadays, insurance company is doing very good business. Everybody, because we are also giving our 50% money for the, we are spending for the weaker section. Even we have the Kanyasri project. What you say, Beti Badhao, Beti Padhao, Beti Bachao. That program, central government, even their fund is 100 crores for the country. And our Kanyasri program, Prime Minister will be happy to know that our Kanyasri program, the funding is 1,000 crores. 24 lakhs girl child we have covered by this Kanyasri project. And they are getting scholarship, they are getting together the money also, because we want that dropout should be, there should not be any dropout. And that's why this program. Like this, we have the, from transport department to unemployed youth, Jubosri project. We have for the transport workers, the insurance project. We have the construction workers, the important project. Like Kishan credit card, the Kishan insurance, corp insurance, there are so many. Even for the farmers, for the old age pensions, there are so many. So these 3 projects will include more, they will add more. But sometimes we give the program, but it is very difficult to implement. We have to remember that let this project should continue with a great hope and scope so that it can create a history for the people. I'll be very happy to see if the benefits reach to the people. Sometimes we offer the work, but sometimes because of due to the negligence and due to the coordination gap and due to the implementation policy is not that. And that's why there are some problems. So people, they don't reach at least what they expect. मेरे को रिक्वेस्ट एक ही होगा इंश्योरेंस कंपनी का कि आप लोग और भी बिजनेस बढ़ाइए, आप पूरा कवर करिए जितना हमारा मार्केट होता है. कभी कभी आग लग जाता है, क्या होगा उसके लिए? जब एक्सीडेंट में लोग मर जाता है, क्या होगा उसका लिए? जो होम सर्विस करते हैं, इवन द होम जिसको हम बोलते हैं घर में काम करता है, उसके लिए भी कुछ नहीं है. हमारा कितना फार्मर्स है, कितना अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड वर्कर्स आर द मेन वर्कर्स इन आवर कंट्री. 50% दे कवर हम लोग करते हैं. लेकिन सेंट्रल और स्टेट एक साथ में कांध पे कांध मिला के डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम करे तो इसमें देश का अच्छा होता है, राज्य का अच्छा होता है और पूरी हमारा जनता के लिए अच्छा होता है. लेट अस डेडिकेट दिस प्रोग्राम टू आवर पीपल ऑफ दिस कंट्री. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर गिविंग अस द अपॉर्चुनिटी. जय हिंद.
ये काम 100-125 दिन में पूरा कर दिया. और मैंने गरीबों को कहा था कि ये देश आपके लिए, ये सरकार आपके लिए, बैंक आपके लिए है. आपको 1 पैसा देना नहीं है, बैंक का खाता खोलना है 0 बैलेंस से. लेकिन गरीबों में अमीरी बहुत होती है. अमीरों की गरीबी की तो चर्चा करने की हिम्मत लोगों में कम होती है, लेकिन गरीबों की अमीरी की चर्चा मैं आज करना चाहता हूं.